Hey guys and girls, I'm James. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the gimbal vibration warning that you get on the DJI Mavic Pro. I bought mine a few months ago and I always test them before I buy them, but it was geofence because I was close to the airport, got home, flew perfect, recorded perfect, but I got this gimbal vibration issue, and when I looked on the internet, it was really hard to see how to fix it because the camera's on there. But I've got this one that's missing a camera, so let me show you how to fix that real quick. Alright, so here's what's going on. So this gimbal bracket brace right here is in the right position, and your gimbal hangs on this, and I'll show you that in a minute. You see this little bracket here and how it's behind it? That's correct, but what ends up happening is when you get into a wreck, excuse me, this gets on top of it, just like that, see? And you think that you can just push this forward and get that to go back underneath there, but it won't do it. What you have to do is pull back on this, get these two tabs back on top of there, and then slide it underneath and then push down. Then it's in the correct position. But on the other videos that I was trying to watch, with the camera still on there, you really can't see what you're doing. Now, if you have your own quadcopter in your hand, you can see what you're doing. But trying to show it on a video without this camera on there, so you can pull it back and do it. You can see it. You see how that's in there the correct way? But since this guy decided to sacrifice himself for the good of all, we got a better view of what's going on here to stop the gimbal vibration issue warning with the DJI controller. And thanks so much for watching this quick repair video. This Mavic Pro is still an incredible machine. Since the Mavic Pro 2 came out, you can pick these up really cheap. And this is still more than what 99% of people out there will ever use. This is kind of like the 2018 Corvette, and this is kind of like the 2020 or 2021 Corvette. This is the 2018 Corvette is still more than what anybody would probably ever use. This one shoots in 2.7K. This one shoots in 4K. I'm a roofer. I need the zoom, but this thing's still an incredible machine. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I got a lot of really cool videos coming out with comparisons of all kinds of DJI products and other ones. And I started a video production company, and you can follow along how that goes. And thanks for watching.